Are you suffering from cough? Tried many things but no results? Avoid taking regular available products to cure cough. Now heal from inside. Say hello to Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old system of natural healing that truly stood the test of time. Presenting new K&H Ayurvedic cough syrup from Koe Pharma. It is an Ayurvedic medicine for cough that is fortified with Tulsi, Banapsha and other powerful scientifically proven medicinal plants as recommended by Ayurveda. Tulsi is useful for dry and wet cough. Yasthi used in bronchitis, dry cough, respiratory infections, tuberculosis. Kantakari used widely in the treatment of cough, cold, asthma and such other respiratory tract conditions. Banapsha useful in cough. Talispatra is used as bronchodilator, mucolytic, anti-tussive or dry cough, expectorant, wet cough, anti-inflammatory on lungs and respiratory tonic. Sunthi useful in cough. Pippali used to treat a wide range of disorders from cough and colds. Vasa useful in cough. Shati used for cough and cold. Pudina used in allergy and common cold. Madhu used for cold and other respiratory disorders. The formulation is clinically proven and provides fast relief against acute cold and throat irritation. It's 100% Ayurvedic and safe.